Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the new video. Right now we gotta talk about Matic. We gotta talk about it. 6% up today. There are some other coins that are doing better today, but yesterday did nice. Yesterday did very nice. So together this week we are up like 48%. You cannot complain about that. That's pretty decent. That's pretty good for like 2 days of work. I'm gonna explain to you why this is pumping. Show you some technicals on Matic, tell you what's gonna happen, like some kind of targets or something like that. I hope that you find that interesting. That said, before we actually get into the charts and make my face smaller, charts bigger as always, if you have trouble picking out coins, if you have trouble figuring out what's good, what's not, besides just looking, okay, this pumped 50%, this pumped 60%, you might want to check out the Patreon, because we do something called daily altcoins video. We rank coins and stuff like that. So if that's your thing, you know, check it out. Also Telegram channel, nice bunch of people on Telegram. Let's get into the charts, make my face smaller, charts bigger as always, and see what's actually happening here. So basically, I'm gonna tell you right now why the Matic is pumping right off the bat. This Matic is one of very few coins that had actually green week previous week. Not a lot of coins did what Matic did, and Matic actually managed to close. You see here, close. This is close. This body. It's above this line where it's closed previously, so it closed above previous high, so it means it's very bullish, and that's why Matic is one of the first one to pump, because the weekly close got higher weekly close. So that's why we are pumping this week, and we are doing it very nicely. Also, you can see we can start talking also about the technicals on Matic. Now Matic is a little bit different coin than other ones. Other ones have this RSI, this rubber band index, all the way down at 60%. So Matic was already at 80%, already some kind of a very steep option. So it didn't reset. It went to the 10 moving average, but it didn't reset this all the way down to the 60 levels, and it just started pumping right off the bat, right? So right now sitting at some kind of high levels at 90. So how long this is gonna take, I don't know. It has more upside definitely, but right now, and it's sitting at 10 moving average, but right now it's up 50%. It has more upside, but it is getting a little bit high. It is getting a little bit high, but once you get above 90 levels on this RSI, you are getting a little bit high. So if number one, Matic is the first to pump, and I also think Matic will be one of the first to top out before other ones. But right now it's good times. Right now it's the party times, right? Right, guys. So we can see here on the daily chart. We can pop some more moving averages down here. We can hear that it managed to bounce off of all of the moving averages and just pump straight up to the heaven, because Matic is one of, I'm telling you, Matic is one of the few coins that weren't below the moving averages after Bitcoin up, because Bitcoin not moved everything below the moving averages, but Matic was one of the ones that actually managed to avoid the pull down of Bitcoin and get above the moving averages. So as soon as Bitcoin bottomed out, this exploded, right? This exploded because it was ready, and since a lot of other coins are not ready, all the traders went into Matic, and now it's pushing the price up. So right now Matic is hitting all-time some kind of all-time highs. It's looking very nice. It's looking very healthy, very good. No problem with Matic whatsoever. Sitting here at 71 on the RSI daily. So I mean, definitely for that, this is has more upside. How big upside? That's the big question. That's the big kahuna. So we're gonna look at some numbers what we can throw up here. Okay, so we are a little bit zoomed here on the daily. So there's this very nice trend line that's been going on for a while now, and we are hitting the trend line right now. That's why we are kind of stopping a little bit over here, and I think this trend line can actually be drawn a lot nicer if we use all the way down here these bottoms down here, because they were acting as nice support, and then we are zigzagging above it. Support, broke it, resistance, and resistance again. So this line is very nice. Right now we are hitting some kind of resistance, but resistances are there to be broken, so we're gonna break them eventually. But the question comes like, how far up are we going after that? And then usually these things go in some kind of channels. So channels are pretty easy to draw. You can see here that we are hitting all these tops and we are hitting some kind of tops there. So this is a very nice channel, especially these channels are always parallel. Let me just try to get it as best as I can. There, I think this is good enough. So this is the channel that we are actually looking at, and right now you can see here that once we break this resistance up here, how long we are gonna use to break the resistance, it all depends. But we are hitting some kind of resistance, we are gonna break it. This might take a little while, but once we break the resistance over here, the target should be the midline up here. That's also was acting as resistance here, right, and it was also some kind of support on the way down there. So this is actually the resistance line that we are actually gonna hit on the way up. If we do that today that's 0.93, but probably not gonna be today, maybe tomorrow. And then the line after that is all the way up here at the top at 1.46. So these are actually the two targets I would set for Matic right now, because we are a bull run, we are gonna go up. The targets are important, but well, where are we gonna get the resistance, where are we gonna stop and have some kind of pullback? And I think these targets are pretty decent, especially this one over here that we are hitting right now at what's that, at 61 or something like that. It's in the ballpark area. We already technically I think hit it, getting some kind of stop there, maybe waiting for these moving averages to pick up and push us above it and then go up. It all depends how this is gonna play out. It's kind of different because there is a lot of assumptions you have to make when you try to figure out how it's gonna play. The best way to do this is just let it like do its own thing and then follow it. But these are the targets 0.95, 1.46. When are they gonna get hit? That's the question. But right now Matic is doing exceptionally well, and it is one of the first one to actually pump. Now others are coming up and pumping after it, so some of the traders might actually start taking profits and going to some other coins, but this will continue because it is not overbought on technicals yet. So it is getting high, but it's not overbought yet. So I think this has a lot more room to go before it actually starts the popping. That said, Matic looks actually pretty nice. A lot of people on Telegram group are talking about Matic, so I thought why not make a Matic video today. Maybe they're gonna enjoy it. That said, join the Telegram group as well, and also subscribe to the channel, because you know the bull run won't last forever, you know, and you need all the information you can get. Also, we do daily Bitcoin videos. We do like 6, 8, 10 altcoin videos every single day. We got Telegram group, nice community, very nice people. So do join us. Thanks for watching, guys. See you around. Bye bye.